more time. Oh no, it's probably broken. Oh well.
Maybe next time we can try it.
We miss baby dancing.
Baby, sorry.
Ariel, Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder. No dancing. Hold on. Baby wants to go.
I can leave my voice inside.
Yeah, do you need help?
I brought all the toys. Bob the Builder, yes we can. Bob the Builder, yes we can.
Did you bring those things in, honey?
This water taught in. Like, this has a great idea.
Come here, Choopy.